To avoid corona, wash your hands, wear a face covering, maintain social distancing. While you are sneezing or coughing, cover your mouth, protect yourself from corona. Namaste parents. Hi dear children. Welcome back to maths class. In today's class, you are going to learn 10 more than. In the previous classes, you already learned 1 more than and 2 more than, 3 more than, 4 more than, 5 more than. You already know that. In today's class, you are going to learn 10 more than. For that, open the book Mathematics Workbook, page number 19. In workbook, page number 19. In the page number 19, they have given more than and also less than in one page. First, we will finish more than concept. As I told earlier, first we will finish more than. In the previous classes, you already learned 1 more than, 2 more than, 3 more than, 4 more than, 5 more than. You already worked on that. Now, in today's class, we will do 10 more than. How we did in the last class? The same type. First, count the given quantity. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. The given quantity is 17. For that, I am keeping 1 bar of 10 and 7 units. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now you have to find out 10 more than of 17. For that you have to add 10 more. 10 more units are equal to 1 bar of 10. So add 1 bar of 10 to the given quantity. Here I am adding 10 more than. Now here also textbook draw 1 bar of 10. Three, 7, 8, 9, 10. I drawn 1 bar of 10. Here I added 1 bar of 10. Now you count the quantity. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. In textbook also once you check 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. 10 more than 17 is 27. First count the given quantity 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73. The given quantity is 73. Arrange it by using a material 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Take 3 units. 71, 72, 73. The given quantity is 73. Write in the box. Now you have to add 10 more for the given quantity. For that, what you have to do, children? Take 1 bar of 10, add to the given quantity. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After writing, count the quantity. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83. In textbook, once you count, children, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83. 10 more than 73 is 83. After this, again they are given some more problems in the next main. Here also some more problems are there. Here 10 more than 9 is. For that, you have to arrange 9 units. The given quantity is 9. You have to add 10 more for 9. What you have to do? Take 1 bar of 10 and add it to the given quantity. Now count the quantity. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 10 more than 9 is 19. 10 more than 16 is. First arrange 16, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. The given quantity is 16. For that, you have to add 10 more. Take 1 bar of 10, add with the given quantity. Count the quantity. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. 10 more than 16 is 26. Like that, complete these 4 sums. After completion, send it to group. Thank you.